How to fix missing emojis on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix missing emojis on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you are seeing that other people have emojis that aren't available on your device, the issue might be with the keyboard. If you are not using the default keyboard such as Gboard, SwiftKey or Samsung's keyboard, you might want to switch back to the stock keyboard to check if that resolves the problem. But if that doesn't work and you are still missing emojis, the next step is to ensure your device supports the latest version of Android. So to get the latest emojis, you will need to check for the software updates. Open settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap the search bar at top of the screen. Search for updates and then you have to wait for a while until you don't find the option for software update. So tap software update and if there is any updates of software, simply install it and make it to the latest version to fix this kind of issue on your device. If updating your software does not resolve the issue, you can try updating your keyboard from the Play Store. Simply go to the Play Store and then tap the search icon. At bottom right corner of the screen, select the search bar and then type in Gboard. Search for this app and then you have to check for the updates. If there is any update, tap on update and update it to the latest version. Once you have done this step, your issue will be definitely fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.